Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Dodge Charger RT. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 135,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.